Tau hoka tēnei ke whika taha nima o e pōni, ko e Miss Apraxus New Zealand. Ophelia Kitiliti Havea. Kava katak. Ophelia Kitiliti Kava, tau atolu. Me Okalani Nusila. Miss Apraxus New Zealand 2017. Talent is art. It's the art of storytelling. Interwoven with dance and song. Storytelling is an age-old art that our ancestors used to keep our genealogies, mythology, and history alive. Miss Apraxus New Zealand 2017's talent piece for tonight is titled My Story. Ko e taleniti o whine muini, ko e tala, ahono tupuanga, mono whakakoloa, ko e hiva.
At the dawning of a new day, I salute her. My paternal and maternal grandmothers. They are the unsung heroes who give me meaning as a young woman. As a Tongan woman, a new reign awaits me and I will answer its call. To leave my legacy as a leader upholding her traditions and culture. Throughout this pageant, I have always emphasized my strong ties to my faith, culture, and family. They are my backbones and define my identity. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, journey with me as I tell my story. I stand before you with pride for my faith and my culture. Raised in a society determined by politics and money, I have always been reminded that a Tongan woman should be defined by 4 virtues, or as we Tongans know, whaikawe gola. Hanga offer to have a loving nature, hanga whakaapa-apa to show respect, tauhiwaha'a to maintain good relations, and lototo to show humility. I am proud to proclaim my culture. I am a Tongan and Tonga defines me. Ko otua mo Tonga ko hoku tofia. Yes, God and Tonga are my inheritance. I was crowned Miss Apraxus Ta'alonga Jr. in 2003. It has always been a dream of mine to one day grace the stage again. Dance will not be my talent. To be a woman of different talents and skills is a gift. So let me grace you with the sweet sounds of my gift. Every person here has a story to tell. My family and genealogy is the epitome of who I am. I did not choose them. They are God's gift to me as I am to them. My costume tonight reflects my heritage. My top is adorned with Māori patterns to portray my birthplace and my ancestors, Solomon Cook of Russell Island. The bottom of my costume is a iagonga from my ancestors, Tau Ili of Upolu Samoa, and is tied together with a gonga holo, which is the most prized possession of a Tongan woman. I intertwine my genealogy through my clothing. I will sever like the taupo to the upe of Aho Eitu, composed by Salote, to empower, to lead, and to teach my people. I am Ophelia Kitiliti Kava, and this is my story.
Miss Apraxus, New Zealand, Ophelia Kitiliti Kava pia no taleniti e mikä katsotaan tolu pia mi okala.
Toi paspasi mai Miss Apraxus New Zealand, Ophelia Kitiliti Kava.